नागा चैतन्य ने रिवील किया कि उनके हाथ पे बने टैटू का समंथा रूथ प्रभु से क्या कनेक्शन है। Naga also shared what his reaction will be if he runs into his ex-wife Samantha post their divorce.
नागा चैतन्य और समंथा रूथ प्रभु ने अपनी 4th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी से कुछ दिन पहले अपना सेपरेशन अनाउंस किया। The couple had been a beloved pair in the Telugu film industry और उनके अलग होने की खबर ने उनके फैंस का दिल तोड़ दिया। The couple feels that their personal life is getting too much attention compared to their professional life and hopefully आगे चल के लोग उनके painful past को present में लाने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे।
समंथा और चैतन्य के अलग होने की खबर सुन के उनके फैंस बहुत अपसेट हुए। There were strong reactions in the news and on social media, and it seems now that the couple did not part on amicable terms. समंथा ने कॉफी विद करण के एपिसोड में कहा कि दोनों के बीच फिलहाल काफी हार्ड फीलिंग्स है and that if they are put in a room together, there should be no sharp objects accessible to them. Now, in an interview with a Bollywood portal, Naga Chaitanya has revealed कि उनके हाथ पे morse code में जो टैटू बना हुआ है, that is the date of his wedding to Samantha. While talking about crazy things fans have done for him, नागा चैतन्य ने कहा कि कुछ फैंस ने अपनी बॉडी पे उनका नाम लिखवाया है। नागा ने कहा, I met a few fans who've tattooed like my name and all that, and they've imitated this tattoo. This is not something you would want to imitate. It's the day I got married, so I won't want the fans to put that. I feel really bad when they tattoo these things. It's like don't. Things might just change. I can change the tattoo. When asked if he has thought about changing his tattoo, उन्होंने कहा, No, I haven't thought about it. It's fine. When asked what he would do if he happened to bump into Samantha today, Chair ने matter of fact जवाब देते हुए कहा, Say hi, give her a hug. समंथा और नागा चैतन्य ने कई साल डेट करने के बाद एक फेरी टेल वेडिंग में एक दूसरे का हाथ थामा। But sadly, things didn't work out between them, and they decided to separate last year. Samantha had to face a lot of trolling given the high-profile status of her husband's family और दोनों के डिवोर्स को लेके सोशल मीडिया में कई तरह की बातें हुई है। Here's hoping the two find happiness in the future and success in their careers.